Hey there, today we're unboxing and reviewing the Monkey Trix board game. The game itself is all about racing to build a stack of blocks, following the cards you draw. It's a fast and funny competition that keeps you on your toes, and guess what? The game pieces are tough, so they won't break easily, even if you play a lot. This game is a fantastic addition to any collection, offering wacky fun that keeps everyone entertained. For the full video, click the link in the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.